Now let us discuss this conduction, convection and radiation mode of heat transfer in comparison. पहले तो हम देख लेते हैं हर एक की डेफिनेशन क्या है. Conduction is nothing but heat transfer between two bodies or two ends of same bodies. Convection is nothing but the heat transfer by bulk fluid motion over or through the surface, and radiation is nothing but heat transfer in terms of electromagnetic waves. Now let us discuss which laws are there which governs conduction mode of heat transfer, convection mode of heat transfer and radiation mode of heat transfer. As far as conduction is concerned, then there comes Fourier's law. Okay, as far as convection is concerned, there comes Newton's law. As far as radiation is concerned, we have here, मतलब यहाँ पे हमने खाली एक ही लॉ देखा है. There are numerous laws as regarded with radiation mode of heat transfer, which goes as Lambert's cosine rule, Kirchhoff's law is there, Wien's law is there. Like that, numerous laws are there as far as radiation mode of heat transfer is concerned. Now let us discuss the statement of these laws. Fourier's law states that heat transfer rate per unit area is directly proportional to temperature gradient. This Newton's law states that heat transfer rate per unit area is directly proportional to temperature difference. And here heat transfer rate per unit area is directly proportional to fourth power of absolute temperature. Now here how we have removed the proportionality sign, we have added one constant of proportionality that is called as thermal conductivity, where K is thermal conductivity. And what is unit of K? The unit is either watt per meter degree Celsius or watt per meter Kelvin. Now here how we have removed the proportionality sign, Q is equal to H into AS into delta T, where H is nothing but what? Constant of proportionality, and its unit is watt per meter square Kelvin या तो watt per meter square degree Celsius. Now here how we have removed the proportionality sign, we have written Q is equal to sigma into AS into T absolute raised to 4, where sigma is nothing but Stephen Boltzmann constant and its value is 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8 watt per meter square Kelvin raised to 4. Now, while discussing this conduction, in order to have the heat transfer with the help of this conduction, the medium is must. If medium is not there, there is no question of heat transfer. मतलब यहाँ पे medium is must. As far as convection heat transfer is concerned, here also medium is must. But as far as this radiation mode of heat transfer is there, if medium is there, then also heat transfer will take place, and if medium is not there, then also that heat transfer will take place. Now it is little bit difficult in every application or in a specific sort of application to calculate which mode is dominant and which mode is having lesser effect. Depending upon various applications, the heat transfer amount will vary from conduction, convection and radiation. In some of the application, conduction heat transfer might not be there or negligible heat transfer is there, but the convection and radiation heat transfers are dominant. In another case, it might be the possibility that conduction and radiation are dominant and the convection heat transfer is negligible, and similar is true in case of radiation as well. Now you might have understood the comparison study of conduction mode of heat transfer, convection mode of heat transfer and radiation mode of heat transfer. तो यहाँ पे हमने क्या देखा, तीनों के डेफिनेशंस देखे, तीनों के लॉज देखे, देन उनके मैथमेटिकल प्रूफ्स देखे, वहाँ पे कौन से कांस्टेंट ऑफ प्रोपोर्शनलिटीज यूज करते हैं वो भी हमने देखे, उनका सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है, उनका डेफिनेशन क्या है, दैट आल्सो वी हैव स्टडीड. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली वी हैव स्टडीड whether medium is required in order to have the heat transfer with the help of conduction, convection and radiation. Now the question might be asked in your interviews like that, in which mode of heat transfer the medium is not required, or if a medium is not present, then also heat transfer will continue in which mode of heat transfer, and specifically the answer is in case of radiation mode of heat transfer. Thank you.